What's up, guys? Alright, welcome to day 2 of the Learn a New Trick Everyday Challenge. And I got a few things I want to talk about from yesterday, because yesterday kind of hit me like a ton of bricks, I'm not gonna lie. I pressed the upload button on that video at 3:55 and I had work at 4 o'clock. So definitely a little bit hectic. Wasn't expecting it to take that long to edit and just, you know, get everything in order. There's little things in the day you don't even account for. Just like showering before work or this or that. Like, just really was pressed for time. And yeah, so today I'm here at 8 o'clock. Gonna try to bang this out. I have to be at work again at 4 today. So, but you know, it's like that with anything that you do that's new. In the beginning, you could feel overwhelmed and, you know, it's completely foreign and new. I'm trying daily uploading, so definitely gonna have to break in some new muscles, and hopefully in a week or so I'll have a more steady program and it'll feel more natural. But as of now, definitely was a little hectic, not gonna lie. I had like no time to make a thumbnail, any of that stuff. But something interesting I'm realizing about having your whole schedule like jam-packed is that you don't have time to really sit in your head and think about what you're gonna do for a video or whatever it is in life in general. You kind of just have to start doing it, you know? And that's, I think, what the benefit of a challenge is. It's kind of like you would think about learning a trick, but you'd sit at home, maybe think about it, maybe you go out, maybe you wouldn't. And setting up some sort of a guideline for yourself will really kind of forces you to make it happen. And yeah, definitely, this thing is shaking. Definitely forcing me to make it happen. So today I'm gonna take it a little bit easier. I'm gonna try to learn a hip trick, switch it up. I'm always skating the mini ramp, so today I'm gonna try to learn fakie big spin inward heel flip. I learned fakie inward heel flips on the hip like a month or so ago. And yeah, on a hip, you're kind of at an angle, so you don't have to do like a full rotation. I feel like it's a good place to learn, start getting the feel of like a tough 360 trick or something. So anyway, gonna try to learn that. First, I'm gonna do some warm-ups. Alright, so I just got a text. I have to be at work at 1. It is currently 9:40 a.m. Which means I probably shouldn't try this fakie inward heel anymore. Just gotta go for the trick. Try to get home and edit it, get everything up, because that's pretty tight. Alright, let's see what happens. I think we got it. Maybe not. Okay. All right, so that's something we have to deal with. Oh God. Oh man, that's amazing. Wow. Okay. Feels like a slipper. Yeah. This could be not good, actually. Alright, let me just show you guys what's going on here. So, when you go to pop, you kind of got to press on your toes, right? So when I press on my toe, you kind of got this action happening. Yeah, this is not good. All right, I'm gonna try to do something on the mini ramp because I think that's the only way I'll have a shot at getting a trick today. That's hysterical. It's like it feels kind of weird. The insoles on the other side of the skate park. Wow. All right, maybe I can get that. I'll try nollie, bigger spin, nose pick. See that. Okay. After every try. Oh! Oh! God! Oh. I think we got it, but the bad side is that it's happening with the other shoe now. So, how is that possible? Okay. No! Oh my God. Don't know if you can catch that on film, but the opposite insole popped out. Okay. Nope. Okay, heading home. This kind of kills a lot of my time. Not a good look. Yeah, gotta use my phone to call an Uber. Hey, what's up? What's going on? What's up? What's up? All right, guys, we're back. Got some shoes that are in one piece, kind of. Yeah, let's just get to it. Got not much time. Okay. That was it. Damn it. Going down. Saved. Oh my God. Oh! Trying to pop 540 over and over just kills your legs. Holy shit. I gotta check the time. I'm like thinking about the time as I'm trying to trick. I'm not even sure what else I could try, so just gotta keep trying. That was it. Alright guys, I had to take like a 10-minute break, get some water and like cool off. It's definitely overheating, and pretty sure it didn't help at all because I'm still pretty tired. Alright, it's 11 o'clock, gotta be at work in 2 hours. Yeah, probably need to get this trick like right now, so let's do it. Oh! Oh! I think I gotta call it. I can't. I'm gonna try some switch flip to blunt stalls because I've never done that before. Maybe I could just ride him on. I don't know. Gotta get something though. You gotta be kidding me. Unbelievable. Broke my board. don't know if you guys can see that. We got this. Just gonna try the bigger spin again. Not the cleanest one in the world, but I'm taking it. Can't move. I'm too tired to even do an outro. I'll see you guys tomorrow, probably at nighttime, something. All right.